Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you the role maintenance plays in the safety and long life of your equipment. The fundamentals we're going to discuss on this GAG V ride will apply to most gas-powered equipment that you may encounter. The first things that I would check are your oil and your air filter. On different machines, they may be in different positions. If you can't find them, check your owner's manual. When checking your oil, you need to wipe off your dipstick to get an accurate reading and make sure it's at the full line. When checking your air filter, you need to remove the cover and inspect the filter. Next, give it a quick once over, looking for any loose or damaged parts, and check your tire pressure. Other things you may want to look for are fluid leaks: hydraulic oil, engine oil, fuel, and antifreeze. The easiest way to inspect for these is when you move the equipment, look for puddles. Before you operate your machine, make sure your safety switches are functioning. They only take seconds to check, and they can save your life. Finally, on mowers, make sure your blades are sharp and tight, and of course, make sure you have a full tank of fuel. That covers everything that you should check before you turn on the machine. There are other maintenance practices that have different intervals and may need to be inspected by a mechanic. To see these, please refer to your manual. Your shop foreman will tell you what maintenance you need to perform on each machine. Some of those items will include spark plugs, oil filters, air filters, fuel filters, belt inspections, replacing blades, sharpening blades. Some of the things you'll most likely have to do are changing the blade on a lawnmower and maintaining the proper fuel mix for a 2-cycle engine. When changing the blade on a lawnmower, remove the spark plug wire, turn the mower on its side, make sure you're using safety gloves or wrap the blade with a towel. Use the proper wrench, hold the blade firmly, and remove the bolt. When adding fuel to a 2-cycle engine, you need to maintain the proper mixture. And the owner's manual will give you the exact amount of fuel and oil needed. Sometimes the oil-fuel ratio printed on the cap is incorrect. Always refer to your owner's manual for the correct ratio. In my experience, damage to the equipment often occurs when it's not even running. Common mistakes are improperly tying down equipment on trailers, washing off equipment with water without following up with greasing afterwards, and storing equipment for periods of time without stabilizer added to the fuel.